2018 Honda Odyssey, packing appeal for more than just van fans. Think minivans are fading away thanks to a proliferation of crossovers? Think again. More than 500,000 of these versatile family haulers roll off dealer lots each year. The Honda Odyssey is all new for 2018 and arrives sporting a more stylish exterior in the hope of wooing buyers and fending off the handsome and incredibly versatile Chrysler Pacifica. The cabin is roomy, quiet, and comfortable for the whole family, even those relegated to the third row. A plethora of inventive options such as an onboard vacuum, a video baby monitor, and an in-cabin PA system accompany the expected infotainment and rear seat entertainment features. Honda is now offering its suite of active safety technologies including automated emergency braking and adaptive cruise control as standard equipment on all but the base LX trim level. It all adds up to a compelling alternative to the ubiquitous crossover for moving family, friends, and cargo. What's new for 2018? Honda has completely redesigned and re-engineered the Odyssey for 2018. A revised V6 engine, new 9 and 10-speed automatic transmissions, more expressive styling, and a much-needed all-new infotainment system round out the Odyssey's improvements versus last year's model. Trims and options: we choose the two top trims of the Odyssey Touring and Elite carry high prices of $45,450 and $47,610, respectively, and come fully equipped without the need for checking multiple option boxes. The mid-range XL is the one we choose, however, and at a starting price of $38,300, it represents the best bang for the buck. As with the luxury-laden upper trims, the XL has plenty of standard high-tech and luxury features.